Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Betterment ACH transfer. Betterment is a popular financial service that allows users to manage their investments and savings. ACH transfer is a convenient way to move funds into or out of your Betterment account. Here is how you can do it. First, you need to link your bank account to your Betterment account. To do this, log into your Betterment account and navigate to the transfer page. Click on the Link Account button and select your bank from the list of available banks. If your bank is not listed, you can also link your account manually by providing your bank routing and account numbers. Once your bank account is linked, you can initiate an ACH transfer. To do this, go to the transfer page and click on the Transfer Funds button. Select the account you want to transfer funds from and the account you want to transfer funds to. Enter the amount you want to transfer and select the transfer frequency. You can choose to make a one-time transfer or set up recurring transfers. Betterment ACH transfers typically take 2 to 3 business days to complete. However, the exact processing time may vary depending on your bank and the time of day you initiate the transfer. It is also important to note that ACH transfers are subject to certain limits and restrictions. For example, you may be limited to transferring a certain amount per day or per month. To avoid any issues with your ACH transfer, make sure to verify your bank account information and ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account. You should also be aware of any potential fees associated with ACH transfers. Betterment does not charge fees for ACH transfers, but your bank may charge a fee for outgoing transfers. In conclusion, setting up an ACH transfer with Betterment is a straightforward process. By following these steps and being aware of the potential limitations and restrictions, you can easily move funds into or out of your Betterment account. Remember to always verify your account information and be mindful of any potential fees to ensure a smooth and successful transfer.